So how are
Okay.
you, Mani? How
I
are
am
you?
good. How are you, Dee?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you so much for asking. How's your life going on? Tell me something.
Yeah, I am something enjoying and struggling both. Actually, I live alone, so I'm struggling too.
Okay, so how much difficulties you face? Like you mentioned, you are living these days alone.
A lot of difficulties there. If I have to visit anywhere, I am alone, so I can visit. I must my day going only office and home, so it's very difficult to me. And because my previous life is so enjoyable and with my sister and brother, so it's difficult for me. I
Mm-hmm.
am just surrendering my life in new journey.
And very congratulations. You got a government job finally.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's also your effort and support. Thank you for that.
Yeah, it's your kindness. And I want to ask something
Mm.
about your job. Do you want to share something? How you
Yeah,
got? How you got? Like what you did?
actually, actually, I like and I want. I struggle so much, and I do for that. I was so. Whenever I was started my preparation, just like you started your journey like that. In the starting point, I had so much struggle in that time, and I always thought like that. Can never do that. I never found that my aim whatever I want. So I whenever I didn't saw my result and my name on the website, actually I do a lot of exams I had given, but in the 2 or 3 years I never cleared any exam. So I just go in the depressed like that. I never do that. It's very difficult for me. And after that, whenever in that situation when I thought ki I just left the preparation and go the private sector. So at that point I just cleared my hand. I saw my name in the PDF of the results. So I think the struggling point is whenever you on the peak of the struggle, the time God give you the gift like that.
Right, right. How many examination you cleared?
Actually, right now I am cleared 3 or 4 exams, and in a four exams I am on waiting. So whenever you just get the point that you have completed the level of the exam, in the if you got cleared one exam, so back to back you can clear all the exams. Yeah.
Very big achievement, I can say.
Yeah.
Like someone these days, someone is struggling for only one exam, and you cleared four exams. It's I can say very big achievement.
Yeah, everyone can actually I didn't found my aim what I want. I'm also struggling and studying for that. I want something good and officer rank job, so I am studying for that. I'm not that level that I want, so it's not my you can say it's not my what aim. I
Hmm.
didn't found my aim right away.
Okay, yeah, best of luck. I'm pretty sure you will find your goal very soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And who is very happy, like in your family, who is very happy about your achievement?
Everyone happy because there is not my struggle behind my job. It's a struggle of my family too, my mother, my father, my sister-in-law, my sisters, my brother even. Everyone support me and give me push up like that. Everyone want our support and that take a person who just not support and push you up. Like my family is so, so pretty. Everyone say like that, you did it, you did it, you did it, you can. Never ever anyone say you can't do. Even I thought like that, I think I am done, I can't do that. But everyone say no, please be continue, you can do it. Everyone support me. So my father, mother, everyone were very happy whenever they just listen. Yeah, I got selected. So even you also.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I said
Because
just
my sister want to give my sister go through government. Anyone can do that.
okay. So you just tell me how much family support for anyone's success. If anyone gets success, so how much it's behind family support.
It's a very if a person started to for a dream for any government, for anything,
Any-
even
eh,
you, yeah, even you started your journey for English speaking. So you have to analyze what the, oh, what I can say, what
Yeah,
the
and support like my family, my kids, even my
yeah,
kids do support.
yeah, if they didn't do it, never you can't do that the thing you want, because the support is very important for any. Even I think 90% think the confidence come from the backside, who's your backside and push you up for the
Right.
go, you can. So that support is matter.
Right, very much matter. Even whenever I like sometime I am human. Sometimes I also feel like okay,
Yeah,
I I can't do it. So always behind my family, they always push me like, no, no, you can. I know you can. Even my husband every time say, no, Pradna, I know you can. Like so,
yeah, that definitely.
that thing motivate us, and it's a like feel us very good. Okay, something like someone is behind me, just they support me. Okay, whatever happen in future I don't know, but yeah, I can.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Actually, if you going to learn anything you want to learn, just a fear in my heart, in our everyone heart, I did, how can I do this, if I do this I will success or not, if I not success then what. So a fear on our mind comes, everyone mind comes through. So whenever someone support you, then you can take a risk, and
Right.
for that, and just take a risk. Whenever you take a risk, just do that thing. So it sometimes it will be happen, sometimes not. So it's, I think support is very important for everyone.
That is very much important, right?
So how will you right now? Your
Yeah.
English is going too good. Even my English is not good. I'm not practicing for that. So I feel some nervousness when you speak fluent. So So how you feel your English is going even very good?
Yeah, I actually I am learning speaking.
Yeah.
I am learning speaking, so it's mandatory to speak, because without speaking it's never we will be good in any language, not only English.
Yeah.
Whatever language you want, so you have to speak. So I do everyday practice, and that's the reason I'm speaking in front of you, like this. And apart from that, I put a lot of effort toward my English.
Yeah. I know. I know. I can see
But
even.
yeah, and but I didn't spend money. Still I'm not spending 1 rupee to my English because I do not want to spend money. I can learn. I know I can learn gradually. It's a take a little time, but I can learn. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. If you want to a stable thing, you have to give time for that.
right,
Everything want to time. Time is, we have to serve something when you want something.
right. Yeah. I do
Struggle. Time.
I do compromise many things, many things, like
Yeah.
especially my sleep, and especially my leisure time, and my kids, family. Sometime I lots of things I can say I do compromise for my English. but I'm satisfied. You know, I'm gaining fluency, so that's why I satisfy.
Yeah, you serve a lot of time and your struggle. Everyone, no one success at the time they started.
Right.
Everyone have to struggle and give up time.
Yeah, main thing, you know, we have to consistence. When we
Yeah, very
consistent
important.
any work, not only particular English, not only anything. Like if you want to
Very,
do UPSC, like, so you
yeah,
have to prepare lots of things. You know, like you have to be consistent. Whatever you think, you
yeah.
know, you want to learn.
A
So
single exam, you have to give time and consistency if you
consistent.
want to
Right.
crack that exam.
Right. So main, like whenever I stop talking, like before some days I stop talking video conversation. Not before some days, I can say a month. I stopped video conversation, and you know, yesterday I was talking with a lady, and my words didn't comes my mind. You know, like I was thinking what I speak next. So I realized no, I have to make a video conversation every day. Audio
Actually,
conversation.
I am facing also.
Yeah, you have lack time, you are doing government job, so you have to do job.
Yeah.
So you know, lack time due to that's why you are not you know, practicing every day.
Yeah.
But your English is good enough, you have lots of vocabulary, because your education is different and my education is
Hmm.
different education,
That's,
very you
yeah,
know,
right.
like if we do anything, like if my English, if my education was good, so definitely I would be good right now.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
So
You are right.
education, I can say education is very much you know, important. But I am learning language, I can say. So language we can, if we put a little effort,
Yeah,
so we can
definitely.
learn.
Yeah. Okay, now the time is my office, so I have to go.
Okay, Mani. So
Actually,
when you will free, I want again talk with you, because my, you know, like conversation not you know, like complete. So I want talk with
okay.
you again.
Yeah,
When you will
definitely.
talk.
Yeah, actually, it's my lunch time. I just take a lunch. After that, I join you. So I'll be there after some time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Nice to talk to you. See you
Yeah.
again. Ta-ta.
Okay. Bye. Bye.